about to have a tornado. Ah!
The National Weather Service has identified 2 more tornado touchdowns, which means Saturday's tornadoes made history in North Carolina. The total number of tornado touchdowns to 28, the largest tornado outbreak in our state's history with respect to the number of tornadoes as well as the number of counties affected.
One of the trees fell right on top of a minivan. We're told that no one was hurt in that incident. A lot of houses damaged as well. We've seen some roofs that have been torn off. We also saw one house that had a tree that was just resting on its roof. There's also been debris spotted in trees.
Come on, buddy. Come on. It was. I felt it. Oh my God.